Hello everyone, here is the solution for question number 4. Well, for this question, as we can see, we have to use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is going to be the main stuff we have to use. Here it says considering that account holders age 55 or older. Okay, yep. First, for the rebate, to calculate it, we have to use the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP equals Q2 because we have to base on the quarterly sales, and then we have to use our rebate scale. I'm gonna put the dollar signs on it, so because we have to maintain it during the whole exercise here. Then I'm gonna put 2 because to refer to the rebate percentage in the table. I'm gonna write true. But it doesn't end here, because as you can see in the enunciation, it says that for accounts, like if your age is 55 or older, you're gonna get a plus additional 2%. So to add this, we have to use an if function that says that age, here p2 age, is if it is more or equal than 55, we put for if it is true at 2%, and if it is no, at 0. And here we have our value, our rebate value. There you go. I'm gonna grab it down and let's go. For the rebate, in the calculation of the rebate, it is easier because you just have to put the rebate percentage and calculate it in multiplied by the quarterly sales. Here we go. There is our stuff, our solution. Now we have to make a customer rebate calculator. For here, just grab any of the values of the list, of the customer list. And what we have to do, well, basically it is a VLOOKUP, but it's a really simple VLOOKUP. You're going to see. We just grab our value, then this is gonna be the customer we have to look for, and we have to grab all the table. But I already labeled as question number 6, and as you can see, it is all the table information we have. Then we have to go and type, as it is customer gender, we have to put the column index number, that is 2, because it is the second column. And wanna write true. And you can see 10 customer 10 is male, so here is male as well. Here, basically here we have to do the same for each, because it asks for well, here age is gonna be the third one. So we go, I'm gonna write question 6 because but you guys know that is the whole table. Column number index is 3 and true to give an approximate match. Here we go. Now, as you can see, quarterly sales, rebate, and customer rebate are 4, 5, and 6. So we have to apply. I'm gonna just copy paste it because it's the exact same formula for the 3 of them. But we have to change only like the number, like 3. We can change 4. Oh, here we go 5, and here we go 6. Yeah, great. Here we have our information, and let's see if this customer rebate calculator actually works. Well, we just have to go to row 10 and look. Is male? Yeah, it's male. Age 64. Age is 64. Quarterly sales. 10. okay is in there, and yeah, you can see that all the numbers are correct, so it means that we did it correctly. Now we have to calculate the total rebates for female and male customers. When it says number of customers, when it says number of something, you already have to say like, countive. It is countive. As it is the gender, we have to go and do it, grab the gender column, that is in this case O, and we go from O2 to O76. 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 Okay, we got this. And the criteria is gonna be this. That is the female or male, in this case the gender female, so we have 31 females. And here be lookup, the same we know already, that is O02 to O76. The table array is no, I don't know why, sorry guys, I don't know why I did VLOOKUP. It is not VLOOKUP, it is COUNTIF. Sorry, my brain just shut down. Okay, so don't follow the example you just saw. It is COUNTIF. It's gonna be exactly the same as the previous one. There you go, 44 males. And this plus this. Now, it says total quarterly sales. For total quarterly sales, it's gonna be, as we are using the rebate for female and male, we have to repeat something. When it says total, it's SUMIF. You see total, you put SUMIF. Then, what do we have to do? As it is female and male, we have to grab the column of gender first. So we go O2, O76. This is because I think I already memorized which is, so I do it faster this way. But if you don't feel sure, you can go and grab everything. We go, then the criteria is gonna be this one, and we need the quarterly sales. The quarterly sales, coincidentally quarterly with Q. So is this column. I'm gonna grab it so you guys can see. You know, I'm not gonna grab it because my computer right now is having some technical issues, so I prefer to type the things so it doesn't crash us. Well, let's continue. Now, SUMIF. Exactly the same. We go with O2 to O76. We know it. The criteria is gonna be if it is male, if it is gender. So let's go. And the same Q2 to Q76. And here we go. And the total is the sum of these two. Great, the total rebate. And finally the total rebate is, it has the same shape of the one we did, because it's a SUMIF. It's also a SUMIF, starting with the, as it is with the male female, we have to start with this column 76. We grab female, and which column is the rebate is S. So you guys can grab it. I'm gonna type it because of the technical issues, but here we go. 76, and there you go. Great, amazing. I love this. I'm loving it. Oops, sorry. I'm copy pasted, but changing here the 2D, and finally this plus this. And great. This is, guys, how you do question number 4. Here are the total rebate, the total quality sales, number of customer, and yes, you can take a look and do it as easy or as fast as you can. But this is like a really, it seems a difficult question, but it is not. So don't worry. And yeah, take care. See you in the next question.